Everyone, so in this video I will let you know how you can crack a password of any site, right? So this will be very interesting topic. We will crack the password here. So guys, let's start with the example. So for example, if I type a IP, my lab in VM, so you already know. So there are multiple websites where I can test. So for example, whatever your website, if you click here, so you will get the login page, and username may be admin or whatever your username, but you don't know the password. So how you can crack this, right? So for cracking, first need we have to a password, right? We need a password. How we can get password? So guys, you can firstly you can go to the internet and you will get multiple files, txt files. There are multiple files file which will provide you a password list, right? And those password list we can use as a attack in this login page, right? But one thing is that you can create your own password. You can create a custom txt file, right? How you can create, I will let you know. For example, there are a password 12345, five character of password. There is a password which have length 5 character, and if you want that password through your like customization, so you can create all combination of password which have the 5 character 12345, right? So let's the tool is Crunch, which I'm using, CRU and CH. So this is the tool where we through that we create the password list. So just type your Crunch and you can type any number. For example, I'm typing 5. So 5 is the minimum length, whatever, like if you giving the keywords through that we will get the password, but you want like minimum password length should be 4, right? And maximum, now you can type 5, whatever number, 4, 5, whatever. So for example, here I am typing 5. That means this is the maximum length of your password, right? 4 is the minimum and 5 is the maximum. Now you can type the character, whatever character you want. For example, I am typing here ABC 1 2 3 4 5, right? There is a like I have typed character ABC 1 2 3 4 5. So that means I need a password which have minimum length 4 and maximum length 5, and those passwords should use these character, right? So if you enter here, so you will see there are following number of line. If you go to the here, so you will see there are 36864, right? That means approx 37,000 of password this tool created here, which have minimum number of four length. You can see AAB, whatever your all combination will provided, right? So this is the four length. You can see uh, all password. Then it will start here with the 5, and we have already typed minimum is 4 and maximum is 5. So that's why it is providing only two type of combination, like all combination, but with the length of 4 and with the length of 5, you can see, right? So all possible combination which have minimum length 4 and maximum length 5, but use the character from your given character, so we will get this list. You can see there are approx 37,000 or 36 plus, you can say, all the password is created. So now we will store this file or these password into the test file or txt file, we can say, and then we will put that file into the other tool for the attack in login page, right? So let's another example. If you I have already create a text file for you, so you can see. For example, same thing, I will use Crunch. 4 is the minimum length and 5 is the maximum length. Minus p use for like whatever password. If you want, like, create a password, but character should not be duplicate or character should not be repeat. Like here you can see a, so character repeating here, but you don't want like this type of password a, because these are the useless. So you can see hyphen p, right? So if you go to the here, like I have typed crunch p, and you just for here, like for from here you can see this is the another example. If you type here -p -p, then enter, right? That means the password will create which have the length 4 to 5 and character from this string, and but password will not repeating, right? Word will not be repeating. If you enter here, so you will see here now there are 40,000, right? Yes, guys. In here you will not able to, if you are using hyphen phi, then your minimum and maximum length will not work. So where we go, if okay, let's first clear my screen, then you will understand. So there are 40,000 password which have the combination of your string. Like there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? There are 8 character. Through these all character we create a password, but every password will not duplicate or every password will not repeating the character. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 abc, 1 2 3 4 5 acb, 1 2 3 4 5 bac. You will not get like something 1 2 3 4 5 aaa or 1 1 1 1 2 2 2. This type of password will ignore by the hyphen phi, you can see here, right? Let's clear the screen again. And again, if you these are the character, but if you want something like cat, dog, or whatever you want, fan, so you can see there are three different word: cat, dog, fan, but it's treat like there are three character. Cat is the complete one character, dog is the complete one character, fan is the complete one character, right? So this treat like as a one character or three character only, but the keyword is 9. You can see 3 3 plus 3 3 plus 3 9, right? So if you enter here again, so you will see the only password is 6, where the combination cat dog fan, then again cat fan dog, dog cat fan. So these type of combination created by this crunch, right? So you will get, this is the another example. It's depend on you how you create your password list, right? Again I'm create let's another example. You can see here, this is another example. Copy, just clear the screen and paste. So you can see I type crunch, where 6 is the minimum length of password, 8 is the maximum length of password. Keyword, our keyword is 1 2 3 4 5 abc. That means password will be create from these keyword, right? Hyphen o for the save the this file into the whatever you will give the name, test.txt. If you enter here, so you can see there are the lot of password here. There are the, you can see number. So these all password will created into this file test.txt. If you read this file, so just type cat test.txt, right? Enter. So you can see there are a lot of password. I am using control C here to stop this, because they, you can see there are multiple password or like lakhs of password. So if you see whatever we give the string here 1 2 3 4 5 abc, this will create your password, the all combination in the test.txt file, right? And you can see the size of this file 161 MB, right? So this is the huge like big file where he stored this password. If I clear that again, let's move to the another example. I'm just copying this here. If you see same thing, crunch, minimum length 6 and max length 8, whatever character you want you can give here. hyphen ho for the save the file, and file name is text. Now we will create test2, right? Test2 txt, and here you can see a interesting thing. I use hyphen t for the these character. That means I have type a, and in last I have type c, and in between a or c I have type @ so that means whatever your password will generate, that will start from the a, right, and end from the C. Your all password will be generated which will start from A and end will be C. So let's enter here. Okay, the maximum and minimum length should be the same size. Okay, pattern we have used what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and what we type here, let's one thing here. And see here, this is saying minimum length or maximum length should be like, you can see we give the pattern here. This is the 8 character pattern, so that means it will create always 8 character of password. So that's why minimum or maximum length should be same. So that's why I'm using 8, because we give the pattern as a 8 character, right? That will start from the A and end will be C character. So let's enter here and see. Okay, yeah, it's create, and there are like whatever number of password, you can see the password length, and here is the your file here. So let's open this file cat and test2.txt. If you open, you can see there are lot of password, you can see here, but all password will start from a, you can see, and end from C, because we give the pattern here. Whatever we generate, that should be start from A and end from C. So that's why all password created by from A and will be end through the or with the C keyword. So these are the, there are like guys, this is the very useful tool which have the multiple methods to create the password, multiple patterns as per your it's depend on you how you create your password, right? So if you use the a command man, then crunch and enter. Okay, I think, okay, I have typed mistake. Just clear screen first and type man crunch. If you see here, and if I go to the here, so there are, this is the very big tool. From you can see multiple pattern. If you go to the example here, so you can see there are multiple examples where you can different type of password you can create according to you, right? If you again enter there, you can see example 4. Here is the command of create password. There are example 5 where you can also create a password, example 6, example 7. So guys, you will get multiple examples in this tool. Through that you can create your custom word list, we can say, or you can create custom password list. So if you able to get this password list, or you will create that password list, then we will use that password list to crack the password of your target website, right? Right. So guys, first thing is, this is educational purpose, because this is very sensitive topic, right? Because we are using the custom word list. Whatever password you want, you can create your list with the password, and that list, now how the password list we inject in this code to crack this login, usual login and password. So I will let you know in my next video in part 2. So you can subscribe my channel to get that video, right? You can subscribe my channel to upcoming all videos, um, whatever I will upload regarding the hacking. So this will be the real, not like it's not like demo or something like fake. It will be the real, right? You can try anywhere. This is only educational purpose, right? So guys, this is all in this video. I let you know how you can create your custom password list. Then in next I will let you know how you can use that whatever you create your list, how you can use that list into your target, right? So please subscribe my channel, and I will provide my tutorial link in description, or playlist in a playlist link in description, where you can get my other all hacking videos which I have uploaded, so you can also learn a lot of things from that. So that's all guys, thank you. We'll see in next video.